Josh, not Joshua, just Josh. And today we're gonna be talking about batteries. How to use them, how to check them, when they need to be replaced, and how to replace them. Come on. Battery is a pretty standard piece of equipment in your vehicle. Some of the things you want to check though, you want to make sure those terminals are clean, cables are tight, and you want to make sure that you're driving at least 20 minutes once a week. Nowadays, not everybody's driving as much, so you don't want to end up with a dead battery. You want to make sure you're recharging it every week. Now, it's time for me to recharge.